In the following slides, I will walk you through the Omdena Warsaw chapter's challenge, mitigating air pollution in Poland through machine learning. So why did we do this? Why were we interested in taking on this challenge? The reason was that air pollution is a major problem in Poland. And as you can see in this air quality map, which is from the winter of 2022, Poland is among the countries with the worst air quality in the European Union. And air pollution is a considerable health risk and affects people's quality of life. And I, and also some friends of mine, had been complaining about the unbreathable winter air in Poland, in particular in Warsaw, for some time. And I finally wanted to do something about it, to find a way to point out how we could maybe tackle this issue or find out more about this issue. And for that reason, we used publicly available data from different sources. There were pollutant concentration data from the Chief Inspectorate for Environmental Protection in Poland. Then we also had weather data from the European Climate Assessment and Dataset Project. And finally, we also had general statistics about Poland, such as population density data, or land use, or green areas. And those we got from the Central Statistics Office of Poland. And we spent a considerable effort and work on cleaning and processing the data first, to enable us to model air quality. And we chose to do this in terms of the Common Air Quality Index, CAQI, which can be calculated from the air pollutant concentrations. And as such, it's a good measure for air quality. So, and then we took our data, our cleaned and processed data, and we analyzed it to find patterns and main causes of air pollution. And on top of that, we built a forecasting model based on machine learning to predict the average daily air quality for powiats, which are counties in Poland. And here on the right, you can basically see such a forecast. So in green, you see what the air quality was in reality, which was recorded. And in orange, you can see the forecast of our model, of one of our models, in particular for Warsaw, which is the capital of Poland. And you can see that it captures the overall behavior of the air quality quite well. And our findings aim to encourage policymakers to take action against air pollution in Poland, and with the forecasting models to provide a simple tool to identify its main causes on a local level. And essentially our main finding was that indeed various human activities strongly influence air quality in Poland. And we also learned a lot more. So in particular, we learned that human activities are a major factor for air quality. In particular, land use, crop production, emissions from power plants, population density, or even the vehicle types used in the different powiats of Poland. We also find that weather has an effect on air quality, especially temperature and wind speed. And temperature has an effect on air quality through a seasonality effect that we uncovered. In particular, air quality is bad in winter in Poland, most probably due to intensive burning of low-quality coal in coal furnaces for heating, particularly in the countryside, where counterintuitively the air quality in winter is worse than in the big cities. And finally, we recommend that policymakers and environmental agencies in Poland prioritize the development of more comprehensive and frequent data collection systems to monitor and tackle the issue of air pollution in Poland. And of course, as I mentioned, there are many more results in our project. And if you're interested in the results of this project, all the details can be found in the project report in the GitHub repository at this link. So please check it out. And of course, I also want to say a big thank you to all of our collaborators. Without our collaborators, the results of this project would not have been possible. And they put a lot of effort and work into cleaning the data, processing the data, and building the various types of models. Thank you very, very much for watching this video. And as I said, check out the GitHub repository if you want to learn more about air pollution in Poland. Thank you very much.